First, slide the lever down before any installation. Then, place the lock securely into the cradle. Align the latch with the opening, then insert it. You can now peel off both adhesive backings for a quick, tool-free setup. Position the cradle, then close the drawer to align the latch. Press firmly to secure the lock in place. You can then slide the lever up to activate the lock. Remember to add the sticker to mark where the hidden lock is. Finally, remove the installation cradle. Pull the drawer to ensure the lock is secure. Simply place the magnetic key over the lock to open. Test the lock several times and adjust if needed. Seamlessly hidden for a refined home. Always keep the magnetic key out of children's reach. For flushing doors, use the measured installation method instead. First, measure the door and choose the matching positioning guide. Then, remove the backing from the lock and latch. Attach the cradle at the marked position. Close the door to align and attach the latch. Then, activate the lock and apply the locator sticker. Remember to remove the installation cradle. Hold the door to ensure the lock is secure. Test the lock several times and adjust if needed. Store the keys away from children. Simply slide the lever down to secure the lock or lift it up to remove and store.